You would think I'm absolutely mad trying to do a YouTube video in today's weather. I have 40 miles an hour of wind coming straight at me off the estuary. So today we're tucked away in the comforts of a yard, and I want to show you this. This is a Kingfisher 166, but the eagle-eyed viewers will think, I recognise that, that's a Picton. That's correct. Clarkson Marine bought the moulds off Picton, and in 2010 this was produced. This is a Kingfisher 166 built by Clarkson Marine, exactly the same as the Picton boats that you recognise. So I'm going to show you around this boat today. It's in really great shape. It's barely been used. It's got a lovely engine on the back, comes with a trailer, and if you're looking to buy, this will be a real bargain. Let me show you around. What a lovely little fishing boat this is. For starters, the condition it's in is unbelievable for a 2010. She's been kept indoors for years. She's hardly had any use at all, and it really stands. It really shows. So we have a 2012 Evinrude E-Tech 60 in immaculate condition. This has done 22 hours. 22 hours, that's it. It's just had a full service, and it's just had a new vapor separator tank that sits under here, and it's ready for a new owner. It's basically a new engine. The boat, well, I mean, everybody knows these. We all know them from when Picton used to mould them, and then latterly Clarkson Marine started moulding them, and they're just a great boat. They've got a really good hull, a nice flare on the bow. Try and capture that. Let's go down here and have a look underneath. See, she's got that nice little stubby keel, and then you've got on the coach roof here, you've got a hatch that opens here. You've got a really classic looking windscreen, a lovely stainless steel radar arch, and a really good sized cockpit. Absolutely great for fishing, but great for nice fun days out as well. So these two seats are fixed on these stainless steel frames. So you've got your passenger seat and your helm seat over here. Obviously your helm seat, you've got all the engine controls here, the compass. And then forward, we've got an open cuddy, seating all around. And then there's a little well here. There's a fishing box in there at the moment, but you can store anything in there. And your anchor locker is up here. And here is your hatch going out onto the foredeck. And then you've got this lovely big cockpit here with loads of space. Bench seat here in really, really nice quality vinyl fabrics. But this folds down. So if you didn't want this here and you just wanted a nice big deck area, you can take these legs out and it drops down. Underneath here, you've got the fuel tank you can see poking there. And then the battery box here you can see poking out. So everything's nicely away and you've got a really uncluttered deck. She's got a good freeboard, so when you're stood in the boat, you don't feel like you're just going to fall off over the side. And you've got these lovely, strong stainless steel grab rails here to hang onto and connect rod holders, etc. And the same here as well. Now, if we just have a quick look at the transom, you can see you've got a really nice deep splash well. So you're nice and safe. You get a wave come up to you from behind. It's not going to come into the boat. Really nice and protected and really well designed. Drain points as well down here. You've got the main drain and then two drain bungs on the side. Towing eyes, auxiliary engine bracket. A nice little 4 or 5 horse would be nice on this. And then if we come in here, you've got This is access into the anchor locker, and then you've got a nice roller here for your anchor to sit on when it's deployed, for your chain to sit on when it's deployed. Now, this boat is sat and comes with this 1.3 ton fully braked Bramba trailer, all in nice condition. It really hasn't done much. Little bit discoloration to the galvanizing, but not much at all. She's been in storage for most of her life, so everything's looking in good shape. She's got the flush kit, you can see here. So after you've done a launch or a retrieve, you can get the hose on it and flush out those brakes. We all know what happens. They seize up. Trailer board is included. And all in all, it's a really good package that you could chuck in the water tomorrow and go and have a lot of fun fishing. And there we have it, the video tour of a Kingfisher 166. I really hope you enjoyed looking around. She's a lovely little boat. If you did, subscribe. Here's a link to one of my other videos. Like, if you did like it, and put your comments down below, because I really like to hear from all of you. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Do you know what is a really good idea when you try and do these videos? Turn the mic on.